Hi and welcome to this tutorial. My name is Chris and I am going to be showing you how to change your password. Now, obviously this is if you haven't already forgotten it and you just want to change it with inside the platform. So you're going to head over to the top right onto settings and you're going to go over here to password. And all you're going to do is here, you're going to put your old password in, your new password. Make sure you put it in correctly twice, then change password, and a little pop-up will come up saying password successfully changed, or if there's an error, then you'll get a red line like this saying the new password field is required or they do not match. And that's it. It's pretty simple. But again, if you have any struggles at all, just get us in the Telegram group or send us an email to support@yanda.io and we'll be happy to help. So until the next video, may the profits be with you.